Okay, that was a lot of fun with Gail at the baseball game. Haven't been to one for a while. A lot of fun, beautiful day. But now we are at Bug Bloom. Show you that in a second. We just drove in here. It's huge. Volks Wagons after Volks Wagons. It's a swap meet, and there's doom buggies like this, like here, like if you remember Jim in Tucson and his drag doom buggy. Looks like somewhat similar. The Baja bug there.
Go in and down.
So how you doing, Hot Baked Italian?
Doing great. Enjoying this.
Well, let's go to a baseball game too.
Yeah. Maybe now that spring training has started up again, it'll be good.
Yeah. Oh, here comes a Porsche 356. I don't know if that's a kit or what. I think it's 356.
See, Jim could have brought his here because it was way higher class than these, I think, right? But it has a VW bug in his.
Oh yeah,
Is it
yeah.
Engine, I mean, VW engine in his?
Yeah, oh yeah. Well, we've got a lot to look at here, but I'm sure his will be right at the top.
Yeah.
This. I don't know. I forget what you call this. This is a VW pickup. Wow. Okay. Gosh, I'm so out of date with my Volks Wagons. I want to say Corvair, but it's not a Corvair. Oh yeah, Karman Ghias. Got parts. Another Karman Ghias.
My dad used to have a Karman Ghias. It was a beat up old thing.
Your dad had one?
Yeah, when we lived in New Jersey. In Wyckoff, he came home with this beat up used old art Karman Ghias. It was like the best thing.
Convertible or a hard top?
I think it was a hard top. It was a hard top. We bought this stuff for a second car.
Is it a two-seater?
I think so.
Yeah. Hey, this yours? Very cool.
It might have been two-seater. I don't even remember. I remember Karman Ghias. I remember we used to go in there. My sister and I would hang out in there and play in there.
Another one for sale there. Okay, yeah, I think we just walked through this, more of the swap meet part of it here. More of the car show is over here, I think, so we're going to see all the bugs. This is cool. All bugs. Not very organized here, though. It doesn't seem like. This is called the Bug Bloom. Do this every year, or what?
Remember, it says number 4, so I don't know. See these things? You keep on thinking about what's that? The old cartoon that has the dune buggy and the. I wish I could remember what it was, but it's a dune buggy in the cartoon, and it would like talk.
Oh yeah.
Is that part of?
I have to think about that. What if we just kind of go and then maybe come?
Okay.
Oh, this old Survivor here.
I'm kidding.
Yeah, I wish I knew more. I wish I knew more about bugs to, Volks Wagons, the motors and the models.
Oh my God, look at this straight ahead.
Beautiful, beautiful.
No kidding. Wow. Sorry.
I want a bug now. Any kind of bug. Look here, we got Bart and oh gosh, what's his sister's name? Uber driving. What's his sister's name? Bart and
Lisa.
yeah, Lisa. Bart and Lisa. Well, that's right-hand drive too. You letting Lisa drive? Bugs as far as the eye can see.
Nice meeting you too.
Couple dune buggies over here. This one's got a back seat. Oh, we got Herbie the love bug over here. Another Porsche. Great. Little floor in there. Another Karman Gia. Gia or Gia? Karman Gia, I think. Oh yeah. What's this again? 1971 squareback.
Ever since we fixed the oil pressure switch and you gooped it up, yeah, but you know.
Another one.
It's the same thing, both the same, yeah. Look at the wooden rack on top.
Yeah. Got that one lowered though.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
68.
A yapper back there.
Yeah, it looks like what happened on this one is it might have popped up and then finished pretty straight.
Just off the top.
I had no idea there was so many different models of VW. I forgot, I guess. Brasilia. I know I've never seen one of these. Aftermarket air conditioner on it.
What was that for?
Air conditioner. Goes in and blows it in the window. That is cool. For sale trade. If you're interested in that.
We're out of here. Love you.
Is that the grill?
That is cool. That's my favorite here so far. What?
This has got a little sink and a little fridge in it.
Did it? I'll be darned. Yeah. This will be our next rig.
Yeah.
Got an
Unless this must
awning.
pop up or something because it's been sleeping up there maybe.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, that pops up. Gravity chair back there. Look at this! Look at this rat rod here. Jim, I think he wants to drag race you.
like how I see it, like two things. People are criminals and they get in trouble.
Seats don't look too comfortable.
Like, I mean, like, they may go crazy.
Oh, wow. No, we are not hippies. Okay, here's the Edge Finder VW services. Is he broken?
See, this thing is
Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I can take my turn here. Look at very cool. What do you call this?
Oh, quilted?
Like nip tuck or something? Right? I don't know. I like the color. I like the colors. Orange and black. Busty's Bus Club.
All right.
Oh, man, look. Okay, here's a thing.
Finally.
Oh, there's another one there. Oh, VW thing. You guys remember the thing? And another one here.
People just laughed on these things. Oh my god, they made such fun of them.
Another one, another thing.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by, all kinds of birds make you wish you could fly, and in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Na na na.
All right, that was pretty cool. That was
Enjoyed
pretty
that.
cool.
Yep.
Yeah. You forget how many models of bugs there are out there.
That's true.
Yeah, it's almost clouding up the rain.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all